Here is how to use a hardware wallet on mobile step by step. First, make sure you have a compatible hardware wallet like Ledger, Nano X, Trezor, or SafePal, and that it supports mobile connection via Bluetooth, USB-C, or QR code. Next, install the official companion app, for example, Trezor Suite Lite or third-party wallet for Trezor. SafePal app for SafePal. Open the app and connect your hardware wallet. For Bluetooth, turn it on, pair it with your phone, and approve the connection. For USB-C, plug the wallet into your phone if supported. For QR code wallets, use the app's built-in scanner. Once connected, you'll be able to view balances, send and receive crypto, approve transaction directly on your hardware device, access NFTs and DApps through the app browser. Every time you send crypto or interact with the DApp, you'll confirm the transaction on your hardware wallet screen to keep your keys safe. And that's how to use a hardware wallet on your mobile. Secure, portable, and perfect for managing crypto on the go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.